Hello everyone, this is my friend Laura, and she's been doing a dark red for a while now, and she wants to try going just a little bit lighter, adding different tones in there with contrast. I have other videos of hers linked below, but I added some beautiful copper highlights to her hair, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Alright, so you just see me mix up my formulas. I already applied the base color to, well, her base, and now I'm going through and doing my zigzag parting for her highlights. I will link another video I have above right here in the cards, so you can see another way that I used it, but I haven't used it in a while on a client, and I was pretty excited to use it on Laura today. And so I'm just going to I take out those peaks there. You know, there's peaks and valleys in hair, and this is an easy way to get them. And then I tease it up a little bit to, her hair teases very easily, and it was easy to get out. But one way you can apply your lightener is by using a balayage board. This is the From Our balayage board. It's nice because it's long, and I can hold it up against my stomach if I need to, or whatever I want to do. But I moved the hair out of the way just there, that way I can apply the lightener to the foil and then put the hair back on top of it just to get a better saturation. I do change it up from here on out on how I apply the lightener. I don't use the board, but this is a way I wanted to show you that you could do if it helps you keep more organized. Do whatever is going to keep you more organized and is better for you. There are plenty of ways that people can apply color, just so you kind of have to figure out what's the best way for you. I do keep the hair flat instead of folding it up into the foil. I believe it'll have a much more even lift that way, especially when you're doing something like this. Now while you watch me apply the color up the rest of the back of her head, if I have your attention, if you are not a subscriber, I would ask you to consider subscribing. I do put videos out weekly, sometimes twice a week, and if you hit that little bell below, it'll also notify you when I do put more out. So if you are a subscriber, I thank you for coming back, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit a thumbs up below. By doing that, that helps me keep getting these free educational videos out to you. So I am doing the same thing as I go up the back of the head, but I'm not going to use the balayage board this time. I apply a clip here because I don't want to pull the tease out of the hair. Now I'm just applying the lightener to where I want it, dragging it down, and then swiping it upwards or backwards in the hair. Now the next section up, you're going to do a zigzag parting again. Make sure you give yourself enough space in between that you have dimension underneath. I want to leave quite a bit of depth there. The reason why she is doing this is because she likes it a dark red, but her husband keeps saying how much he likes her hair lighter, so we're going to compromise. I'm very big on telling my clients I want them to do what they want to do, but just for fun, we're gonna put some highlights in there.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Harder, harder. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Harder, harder.
Here is her end result, a beautiful, luscious, copper red, gold, warmth, shine, beautiful. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I appreciate you stopping in. Like I said, hit that like button if you did like this video. It helps me keep getting those out to you. And if you haven't subscribed, you know, just go ahead and do it. It won't hurt you, I promise. But thanks for stopping in, and I will have another video out to you guys soon. Bye.